Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. It's Spanky, Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 Group Challenge, 52 weeks of tags, week 20. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Hope you had a wonderful day. This week's tag, as always, 7 inches wide, long by 3.5 inches wide. Our prompts is Mother's Day theme. Our word is grace. Texture material is used lace, and our colors are pink, white, and blue. So I think I'm going to I thought about using this napkin, but I don't think I'm going to use this because I don't think it's going to work right. So let me go grab a different napkin. Okay, I have this one here. I like this napkin. Oh, I don't know, I got a piece of tape on my finger. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, yes, we'll use this one, and I have some white lace, and I'm going to use blue as for my word. So that's how we're going to do this one. So let's see here. Grab a brush from Mod Podge. Somebody didn't rinse out her water container with brushes, so I left brushes in overnight for 2 nights, I guess now. So I'm a bad Spanky. I don't usually do that. I think dirty paintbrush is rubbing off on me. And I will put the prompts up in the corner here like I always do so I don't ruin my card. So I'm going to move that. They'll probably be over here on this side. So let me move that out of the way. Okay. I love this napkin. I don't know if I want to go this way with it. No. How did I do my other tag? So we're going to... Let's see, Mod Podge. I'm gonna Mod Podge this to it. I'll put it halfway down and then I'll do the other half. I like using my brayer to stick everything down because it just makes it smoother. I don't mind the texture, but I kind of just like using my brayer to smush it down. Because sometimes when I use my fingers, I rip it. And I don't want to rip it. Okay. Gotta wipe that part off. And dry it. Okay. Just run that over it. And then I'll trim these edges off, and I'm going to put lace across the bottom and a little bit on the top. So that will give me my lace. This napkin's so pretty. So let me dry this really quick. Okay. And I'm going to trim these edges. Maybe. I got glasses on and I still can't see the cut. Okay. Come on. Okay. I will save this piece here, but I'm not going to save this little piece because I can still use this one with the words on there. So we'll put that off on the side with that one. Stick that in the water. Okay. What I want, oh, see, I got a bubble right there, but that's okay. What I want to do is, I think I'm gonna make the lace blue. So, yeah. So that much there, and across the top here, we'll go right there. So about this much lace here. And I'm gonna get my blue sprays. Okay, so I have a glimmer mist. It's called Dragon Wings, or Dragonfly Wings. So we're gonna use this one. It's a pretty blue. Let's see. I'm still been spending time trying to get my computer set up still, and it's just been a hassle. So let's see here. It's pretty. We'll just wipe off that nozzle. Okay, and I'm going to dry that. Don't get too close to this with the heat gun because you'll melt it. Alright, that's so pretty. Move that out of the way. Alright. We'll start at this end. I'll glue that down here. And I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac for that. Okay. Take it a second to get down to the tip. Come on, get up. Go. Get my fingers off here. Trim this. Oh, that's so pretty on there. Okay. And now I like it like this. Yeah. The only thing I don't like about the Fabri-Tac is that it spits out the top. So one of the biggest complaints I have of Fabri-Tac is it likes to come out the top. I think most silicone-based glues like this do that, though. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. I hope you guys are still enjoying the tag challenge. I'm loving it still. I've been a little behind because of everything going on, but we'll get back on track. I gotta get June. I gotta get them tags done because we'll be out of state for a few days. We're going to Missouri to see Miss Mary Forrester, so we have to make sure I get all my stuff done and ready to be uploaded to go while we're gone. Super excited for our trip out there. Okay, I love how that's turned out. Okay, so now I need to figure out the word. I think I'm gonna do, oh, I like this. That's pretty. Okay, so what I think I need to do is find, I think I have some gold letters. I thought maybe I did, maybe I don't. I need to buy more alphabet stickers versus other ones, but oh, I do have alphabet ones, but I think they were all wonky. So let's see here. Nope. Okay, so grab one. I have a bin here. So while that dries, pick through my letter bin. Yes, I do have some here. So I think I want to use the rose gold stickers here. I think that's what I'm going to end up using. Oh, those are pretty though. Oh, I might use those. I like those better. Yeah. Make sure I got enough letters. Okay. Oh, I like that. Okay. So these are like glittered stickers, but they have a rhinestone on part of them. So that's pretty. So yes, I think I will like them. Got these at Dollar General, in case anybody's wondering. I think I'm gonna put it, let's see. Okay, so I'll go for here. I want to kind of make it even, so. Some of that Fabri-Tac will help stick to these letters. Yeah, if you guys go to Dollar General, they have a nice selection of craft stuff. Well, at least here they do. I don't know about everywhere else, but they're getting a nice selection of craft items in there. And we have to move those over some. Oh, I like that. So I like how that turned out. That. Okay. So that's there. And I want to add something else here. Let's see. So I think I want to add a little bit more blue in this to tie that in. And I got these at Dollar Tree a couple days ago. Cute little 3D, like 3-dimensional stickers. I think I'll add one of these. Oh. Yeah, I think I'll add one of those here. Oh, well, maybe. There we go. Oh, I like that. That's cute. Maybe another one? Maybe that one. It's a little larger. We'll see how it'll look. These foil stickers are a pain to get off sometimes. Okay. And we'll go this way with that one. There we go. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like that one. Okay, so I can put that there. I think I want to add some glitter to my roses. Which I have this, it's like, what is it called? Stickles? But it's like, it's by Studio G. The same thing. Same thing. Like how that looks. I think that ties it in really nice. Alright, oh, there you guys can see all that sparkle. Put it on the leaves. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Yep. I like doing that on these. This is so pretty. Oops, forgot one spot here. Didn't tie it down into that. There we go. Alright, quit fiddling with a Spanky before you ruin it. I'm gonna call that done. Oops, see, I already stuck my thumb in there. I like how that turned out. Put my needle back in my glue thing here. I forget to put my cap on it sometimes. This used to be like this is an old bottle of puppy paints from like probably when I was like 10 years old. It was no good, so I took it I have a couple of them. I took the paint out and stuff and cleaned it all out really good. And I stick my glue in there and it works perfect. So. Oh, I love how that turned out. Woo, let's come back here. So here is the tag. So I have the blue lace, a pink flower, and white in the background through here. And my word Grace on the bottom. And you can see I add, love how that looks. That's so pretty. I love that, I love that I added the butterflies. I think that really adds dimension on it. And they're 3D, so they stick out. And I really like how that turned out. So that's this week's tag for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is actually tomorrow. So this video is kind of, well, I usually have them done like the week in advance, but I've been tied up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful and happy Mother's Day. Much love to you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!